These are starting.
Yeah.
Hand in hand, this is a path Lib Jones and Tom Nuttingham have walked many times.
We bought the house in December of 1990.
Okay.
And with no intention of doing anything like this, we were backyard gardeners.
Little did they know what lay ahead.
You want to see us go visit the bunnies?
Tom calls this 2¼ acre property their glorified backyard.
That's why we called it Maple Walk. We have 97 different Japanese maples.
Wow.
From dawn to dusk, this oasis in South Charlotte is open to the public all year long.
This is a Japanese maple called Kiyohime Yatsubusa.
In the 90s, a big rainfall flooded their home, caused by runoff from the elevated lot behind them. They decided to buy that lot, mostly to protect their own property.
And so what ended up happening was by the time we saved enough to actually buy the lot, we'd been bitten by the gardening bug.
One gardening project led to another. They eventually bought the property next door as well.
But as we started acquiring these properties, that people thought we were crazy. When we tore that house down, they knew we were crazy.
Crazy or visionary, Maple Walk has become a destination. Caring for the garden is an enormous labor of love. Tom and Lib are out here 7 days a week.
Why do you do it? Why do you garden?
I really think that I need the garden more than the garden needs me. It's a place of solitude if that's what they're looking for. Hopefully it's a place they can find what they need when they need it.
Reporting in South Charlotte, Elsa Gillis, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.